What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Whoa, back with another video, and you guys are like, why is this girl just now posting? She wasn't posting for like 2 weeks. Yes, I know. But if you guys saw my recent video yesterday, I did the no thumb challenge. But I'm gonna be active more since I've posted in like 2 weeks. Gonna be more active, and I'm just going to post, like, I try to post every day, but I have to do school and stuff, so yeah. Oh, stop, I'm just showing. So guys, today I'll be making some slime in this video. So things you need is glue, contact lens solution, baking soda, some to mix in, some to mix with. Okay, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is get your glue. Pour some. After you pour some, you want to get some baking soda, and you want to put a tad bit in there. And then you would want to get your contact lens solution. Sorry, it was a little hard to open. Spray a couple in it. You want to mix it a little slow so it can come together. This needs a lot of activator. Oh, this is really... So I just have to put something away. But so after you think that you can pick it up, if you can't pick it up, you say, oh, it's too sticky. Don't pick it up because, okay, yeah, I should have never picked it up. Because, like, it has that rubber texture, but then it's sticky. Oh, shit. And, come on, drop. Oh. I don't want to make it, like, too overactivated, since I'm adding a little at a time, but, okay. Okay, guys, it's not that sticky anymore, but this is some cloud slime. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, smash that like button. If you love this slime, yeah, okay. But yeah, if you guys love that tutorial, that little tutorial, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll try to be active. Peace.